Go all the way, no? Smooth, baby.
Hey.
Good that we tied this painter, huh? Otherwise very difficult. Easy now, easy.
Dahan-dahan.
Base?
Yeah, baba pa.
Okay, touchdown.
Ay, start.
Touchdown. Touchdown.
You can pull that. Okay, pull.
Okay, touchdown.
Release daw.
Eh, release natin to.
Baba pa, baba. Ah. Okay.
Subab?
Ibab.
Don't let the boat go inside.
You control.
Oh,
Don't remove the forward one. Don't remove. We keep here because don't go enter the zebra.
Tell me if I forward or reverse ah.
hindi ka rin ibang.
Maybe the meter is very short now. We cannot take it out. The movie is new. Okay. Yeah, we have to connect that. We have to connect.
Give up this one, move first.
Zebra. Go clear here. You go clear. Go start the boat. Go.
You go forward, no?
Turn na. Check turn.
Straight, no? How
Turn,
about
turn.
sa painter, ha? Outboard. Clear, no? Ano yan? Hinda?
Hindi. Isa lang speed nito eh. Forward, neutral, reverse lang.
Tama ba? Ano ba, no? Agad ka.
Photo art and photo video whatever. Now,
Sir, again. Both side decided to go. Para.
Easy, easy. Oh, oh.
Where to go?
why turning?
Sure ah.
Easy.
Why turning? Guru, why you turning?
This side, no?
Guru, stop, reverse.
Stop.
Why you're turning ah?
Wait. This side to go.
Guru, why you keep here back? You have to go to the lifeboat now.
Left. Okay.
Ulo.
Get clear.
Up to bed.
Stop.
Wait.
Forward.
Just take out that slope, the forward one. Stop the engine. Don't turn in the engine. Stop the engine.
They're going. Port side is inside.
We'll go there at the back.
Huh?
Go
Okay,
there.
Turn this side, huh?
Ah.
This side, no? We'll try it.
Yeah, that's all correct. I will forward now ah.
Yeah.
See.
Guru, come in.
Yes, Captain.
Guru, you will have to go with the rescue boat to the lifeboat. Why you came here again, near the hook?
Why like this, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, going, Captain. This is straight, huh?
Okay, straight. Straight,
Now I want to go,
There. At the astern of the ship.
now I have to go that side. Like this.
Ah, like that.
Slowly ah. I will put in neutral.
Yeah, neutral. Now that side. We go that side. Just control.
Forward.
To go over there first.
Okay, neutral. You steer going there.
Other side?
This is okay ah.
Yeah.
This is okay.
Okay, let me first a little bit control this thing.
Reverse ah. We're going
Reverse.
para. Reverse.
Reverse is what this side, down. This side, no?
Yeah.
Wait.
Forward ah.
Forward.
Going down ah. Do not go inside there.
I use this one.
will go there.
Like, huh? Yeah. Forward, huh?
Yeah. We're going far ah. Go turn. Ah. Turn more. Going far already. Turn more. Yeah, correct.
Well, it's too much, yeah. You go, Abel. Stop. Behind.
Do not give too much fuel. Check.
Well, it's too much.
Yes, now we can approach and send moving the other side.
Go behind first. Let's go behind first. Well, it's really too much.
Come just go to the starboard side now.
Wait,
Come to
astern.
the center. Just behind of the cable will be a land flare. Go sunboard. Yeah, go astern.
Astern.
Go this way.
Better here ah.
Okay, done. Hard port.
Hard port.
Hard port. Stop.
Stop.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Now easy. Come to starboard. Give starboard.
Starboard.
Open your starboard, so we're pulling you
Forward.
in there.
This is forward ah.
Below. Go starboard.
Still.
No, hard starboard here.
Hard starboard.
This is hard, no?
Hard starboard.
Hey, you're giving hard port, hard starboard. Starboard means you have to give to the port.
Okay. Slowly.
Enough, stop. Go reverse. Done. Course done now. Done.
Straight.
Going.
Yeah.
Stop.
Neutral now.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Already. Don't give fuel.
So just stop. Don't do anything now. Don't do anything. I can allow. Just stop.
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, stop. We're putting your close.
Just stop. Neutral.
Yeah, neutral already.
This is neutral, huh?
This is not forward. Oars.
Engine do not do anything. Just wait.
Oars. Hawakan niya para hindi tayo sumayad doon.
Slowly.
Okay, tabi. Dadaan ako.
Up. Yan ang sinasabi ko, kakainin yung ano.
Rina, you set up another rope on the forward of this handle.
Tulak mo, tulak, tulak. Ingat, ingat ha, ingat. Tulak.
Get ready to move.
Yan o. Tapos ka ba? Okay, okay.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Kaso dapat, delikado pala sir. Mag-ano ka talaga dito.
The lifeboat that is once we level lower more.
Lower more.
Sino mga kasama mo sir?
Dito
Tayo
ka rin
dalawa?
Oo.
Okay, ayun na. Ako muna ata dun para mauna
Mauna ka. Sige, kaya mo.
Makabuksan ka. Mabigat tayo masyado yan.
Kaya nga eh.
I will go first ha.
Oo. Check. Stay your hand on the steering ah.
Tatakbuhin din to.
Oo.
Tama na, tama na. Tama na.
Hook, hook, hook.
Diyan
Ah. Hook, hook, hook. Up.
Okay, Joe, you hold here, you keep hold.
Ayun sir. Buksan ko na.
Ah, buksan mo, buksan mo.
Ilabas mo yan. Ilabas mo yan, Lubid. Ilabas mo. Ah, di ko makakap. Shit, shit. Hold on, hold on. Yan! Ano yung ito labas? Yan! Oh! Oh! Ano na dito dito?
Ako lang pati si Reynan. Ay si ano, Jan.
Check!
Check. Go.
Working dynamic ko.
Yeah.
Stay there.
Stay, stay.
Ay!
No, you don't go.
Stay,
Wait,
stay,
wait,
stay.
wait inside the boat. Let the